In this video, we're going back to basics. I've got a real quick tutorial for you on how to add a profile picture to WordPress, also known as a Gravatar. So this photo appears when you do anything on WordPress. Maybe you publish a post, maybe you leave a comment, and it works on all sites that are powered by WordPress. So it's definitely worth setting up. Let's get on with it. So I'm over on this website, which is the travel demo of Popcorn Theme. Be sure to check it out over at popcorntheme.com. And yeah, I've published this post. It's some lovely lorem ipsum, as you can see. And I've got an image. So that's what we're going to do right now. The first thing you need to do is check the email address that you're using for your user accounts. Now, you can have multiple email addresses attached to an avatar, a profile picture, or a Gravatar, whatever you want to call it. But I'm going to just check what I've got on this account. So I'm going to go into the dashboard and then users. Let's take a look. Here's my account, and I can see that I'm using eagle at wpeagle.com. Of course, if you need to change it, you just go in edit and you can type it into this box. You will have to confirm the email address once you've changed it. So once you know the email address, that's fine. Let's go over to gravatar.com. This is where you set it, and as I said in the intro, once you set it here, it will appear on lots of sites, all WordPress sites and some other places too. So it's really easy. It's a great idea. So let's enter our email address, see if there's anything coming up. No profile. Okay, let's get on with it. So on this page, I need to enter my email address again so we can log in. Send me a sign-in link. Okay, they've now sent me an email, so let me just go and check my email. And here's the email, perfect. It arrived nice and quick. Let's click continue to Gravatar. Let's set up the avatar. So you can use the camera, which is fine. I could do that. Let's see if that works. Yeah, maybe not. Or I could upload an image. Let's see what we've got. A lovely one here called profile picture. It's kind of similar, actually, same background. For some reason, it just kind of blipped out there. I found an image that's better, so I can adjust this by, it's actually 2-finger scroll on there for some reason. You can move around, you can crop whatever you like, zoom it in a bit, zoom it out a bit. That's perfect. Crop. It's doing its thing. There we go. You can also add other information if you like, although, to be honest, most of this stuff isn't really used on WordPress. WordPress has its own profile information. But let's save changes. So let's go back. I think that should all be done. We've got this. Got it set. It's all done. Perfect. There's some verified accounts and some other stuff you might want to play around with in here. But generally, you don't need to. It's just the image that you need. So let me go back to the website and just refresh. Hey! There is the image looking good. All done. Easy as that. So yeah, go set your image over at gravatar.com. That brings us to the end of this video. Hopefully you got your Gravatar all set up. Let me know how it went in the comments. I do love to hear from you, and I'll try to reply to as many comments as I possibly can. If you enjoyed this video, like button really does help me out. Give it a click and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any future videos. Until next time, good luck with your sites. See you later.